Hello and welcome to another update on Bitcoin. Well, on the Bitcoin chart, we see that the market found a little bit of support here in the area of the lows of last week. That's what I said before. I'm watching that area for potentially some buyers to step in. But yeah, so far the response is not great. Yep, the market has now closed below the 100K level. Bitcoin has closed below the $100,000 level, the daily candle. That's the first time, I think, in 180 days or something. I haven't counted them. I don't have the exact number. I think it's like 180, 190 days or something. I think it's first time since May that Bitcoin closed below 100K. Let me know in the comments if you know the exact number. I saw it somewhere. But yeah, that I would be interested. Let me know if you know it. But that's just something to be aware of. We seem to be holding just now below 100K, but I've been saying for the last couple of weeks, I mean, it's just a battlefield between bulls and bears, right? It's the battleground. And it will take a while for the bulls and the bears to make a decision here. I don't think this necessarily is the decision, but if you watched previous video updates today, then you know that this was a three-wave move up. This was a three-wave move up, and well, guess what? This was a three-wave move up. So there wasn't really a directly bullish scenario. The most bullish one I have here, which is realistic, is actually an A, B, C structure that we form a broader corrective bounce. But even that would require, at the very least, a break above a first resistance area to unlock prices again in the area, possibly around $107,300. Which is where the Tuesday high formed. And that initial resistance area is here between 99,386 and 100,972. But you can see that this resistance area includes the 100K level. Basically, we dipped below 100K, retested it from above, and well, now we start to consolidate below 100K. So, I mean, if we can reclaim the 100K level within a day, it might be short-term bullish, yeah, and basically break back above resistance. But for now, the bulls lost the 100K level. Pressure appears downward in the short term, and that really hasn't changed since we formed the top there on Tuesday. And actually, that hasn't changed for quite some time. So we haven't seen any five-wave recovery, right? Even here in the very short term, this was also just a three-wave start. All of this was not really convincing from a bullish point of view. So I remain, my view remains that here we might grind a little more sideways, but I haven't got anything directly bullish, unfortunately. However, there are some things that are noteworthy. So I think structures levels are clear. By the way, next support is around 96K. But in terms of the Bitcoin daily chart, in terms of indicators, well, let me zoom out a bit. You see that we are still holding just now above the 55-week EMA. Okay, we're still holding above it. Yeah, it is what it is. So we're still holding above it. We are also not quite oversold yet on the daily. So we're still holding support, therefore, on the daily RSI, which is the green line here that we talked about. So there are still some interesting things to watch out for, especially the 55-week EMA, which is proven to be the most reliable moving average in the current range. People are checking the yearly, the 1 year, or the 365-day. I think the 50-week SMA is being thrown around, but I still find the 55-week EMA. It's been just the most reliable one. You see here, bounced here, bounced here, bounced here, bounced here again. I mean, no real reaction yet. And if we get a break below it briefly, it's not a major problem. I find that one even a little bit more important than the 100K level. 100K is really just a number. It's not just psychological support. You see it's actually a dynamic structural support level. Then we have RSI support as well on the daily, but also on the weekly. I mean, but we cover that on the other channels, right, where we talk about the weekly charts as well. So we're currently testing the previous lows here on the weekly RSI, for example, the ones from August 23, August 24, March 25, and yeah, now again this area around 43, 44. So this is all quite interesting, but I just wanted to let you know, update you about the structures. Still no short-term bullish signal, but we're still holding support. That's the update on BTC. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out our membership options. You can find all the information about that on our channel page. There are member-only videos, there are weekly live streams, lots of other information on Discord. And also feel free to join us on X for additional charts, updates, news, and much more. You find a lot of the information there a little sooner. Sometimes then on YouTube, for example, this video was also uploaded first on X. It's just a bit of a faster process. So I'll leave a link in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.